Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, April 28, 2022 on our channel. Southeast Asia HVAC Market Research Report, Forecast to 2030. Tesco and Marshall Fleet Solutions are working on a trial of 100% solar-powered refrigerated trailers. Neiman Marcus Group installing two 500-ton water-cooled Trane chillers at Bergdorf Goodman's women's store. So, first news today. Southeast Asia HVAC Market Research Report, Forecast to 2030. Market Overview. The Southeast Asia HVAC market size stood at $745.5 million in 2021, and it will advance at a CAGR of 6.4% during 2021 to 2030, primarily due to the increasing infrastructure development and growing hospitality industry. The pandemic impacted the supply chain of refrigerants and electronic components, such as compressors, embedded systems, and fan units, which, in turn, impacted the manufacturing of HVAC equipment, thus restraining the growth of the market. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Tesco and Marshall Fleet Solutions are working on a trial of 100% solar-powered refrigerated trailers. In a joint initiative, Tesco and Marshall Fleet Solutions are currently working on a trial of 100% solar-powered refrigerated trailers within the Tesco refrigerated trailer fleet as part of Tesco's long-term commitment to sustainability and reduce carbon footprint targets within its business operations. The first 100% solar-powered trailers fitted with the Titan system from Marshall are now on the road and servicing Tesco distribution centers across the country. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Neiman Marcus Group installing two 500-ton water-cooled Trane chillers at Bergdorf Goodman's women's store. The Neiman Marcus Group is advancing their sustainability journey even further, installing two 500-ton water-cooled Trane chillers at their iconic Bergdorf Goodman's women's store, located in the heart of New York City's famed retail district. Implemented in partnership with Trane by Trane Technologies, a global climate innovator, this environmentally friendly makeover of the historic, 94-year-old building utilizes innovative, energy-efficient, decarbonizing technology, enabling the retailer's elimination of natural gas use and electrification, transition to renewable energy use and carbon footprint reduction. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.